Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're proud to announce our new Charcoal Headphone Savior version 2 carrying case. If you're not already familiar with our previous Headphone Savior, we've created a case that offers the best protection for your headphones and audio accessories while on the go. Our original Headphone Savior carrying case satisfies all your storage and transportation needs, as it offers a spacious, protected, and customizable interior with thick and durable foam padding around the edges, as well as removable Velcro dividers that allow you to store your headphones the way you want them. Some may say that our Headphone Savior carrying case is simply just a camera bag. We've taken those peculiar comments as a compliment to our headphone carrying case due to the fact that if photographers and filmmakers alike are using similar case designs to hold thousands of dollars in equipment, we're proud to provide our customers with a similar design that offers reliable protection for your expensive headphone and audio gear. Also, it was modeled off of a camera bag. If you're looking for top-notch protection and space to store headphones of all shapes and sizes while traveling or on the go, look no further with our Headphone Savior carrying case. We offer these cases in both heather gray and heather charcoal. However, if you're looking for a case that offers a little bit more space for storing your headphones and audio gear, check out our new Headphone Savior version 2 carrying case. Offered in heather charcoal, comes in a taller form factor, allowing you to have more space to store your headphone and audio accessories. Our Headphone Savior version 2 comes with the same interior thick foam padding that protects even taller headphones, or those with attached cables, and prevents them from getting damaged. The two internal dividers also remain, with one vertical and one located at the bottom of the case to offer more protection and storage customization. The Headphone Savior version 2 also comes with the mesh pocket at the top of the case for storing your cables and other audio accessories. A front pocket is also included for more storage options. And lastly, our Headphone Savior version 2 comes with a shoulder strap and a carabiner hook, which offers easy and comfortable carrying and traveling. For more information on our new Headphone Savior V2 carrying case and any of our other products, check us out at DekoniAudio.com.